We perform product development system assessments for our customers, and I'm frequently surprised by how many product development organizations still use email as their primary medium for the communication of information. Attached to these emails are their test reports or marketing information, requirements, all of the documentation that is critical to the performance of their product development. I read recently a British study that said 38% of the time of knowledge workers is spent looking for information. Now, I can't quite believe that. We've actually run into organizations where it is that high, but not as a standard or an average. But even if you discount that and cut it in half, that's still about 20% of the time knowledge workers are spending their time just hunting for information. And this hunt for time, this loss of efficiency, is invisible because it just gets buried with everything else inside the charges to project time to specific projects. The other issue we have with email is that it's open loop. It has no feedback. And if the timing of the sending of some information is wrong, the recipient will then have to hunt for it in their inbox after the fact, and oftentimes will just ask for it to be resent rather than go and hunt for it. Also, you have, as information is updated, various revisions distributed across the organization, sitting on different hard drives, some of them the most current, some of them now out of date. When Bowen and Spears, famous researchers, talked about the need for a direct link between internal suppliers and internal customers, I think they talked about that connection as being more personal, more collaborative, and more closed loop. For your information flow, if you're still using an open loop system, find a collaborative tool. PLM, for instance. Help your researchers, help your knowledge workers take the pain out of their information flow.